Hey, it's Ran here. In this tech tutorial of System.io, I'm going to show you how to send somebody a video that you have promised them as a freebie or a lead magnet they will be able to receive in their email. So I'm going to share my screen and show you how to set that up. So the first step is to click on create. Then we're going to call this traffic training. Just for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to click on custom. US dollars. I'm gonna choose the right URL, the right domain name. In this case, it's gonna be workshops.com truths. I'm gonna click on save. Now it's going to give me my funnel and it's going to be empty. I'm going to need to add 2 pages. Page number 1 is going to be the squeeze page where people will submit their name and email. The second page is going to be the thank you page where they can actually view the video. And the thank you page is what you're going to send in the email as well. So you're going to click on add new step. Then you're going to call traffic training opt-in. I'm going to choose the page type, which is going to be a squeeze page. I'm going to click on save. Then I'm going to need to pick a template or use one of the templates in my template membership. Just to make this really quick, I'm just going to pick this right here. And then I'm going to click on add step. And then I'm going to call this traffic training video. And then I'm going to make this on the opt-in section. I'm going to choose opt-in thank you. Then I'm going to click on save. Then I'm going to simply pick one of these templates. In this case, I'm going to pick this one. Now I'm going to go to the edit page and I'm going to grab the URL that I uploaded from YouTube. Now, you don't have to use YouTube for this. For the demonstration, I'm using YouTube, but for you, you may not want to do that. You might want to actually embed the video direct. So let me show you what that looks like. So I'm going to call this traffic training, and then I'm going to remove this background. I'm going to put a video right here. Now the video, I'm going to embed the YouTube. I'm going to put the link there and then people can watch it. However, if you want the video not to be on YouTube, you want to be private, you can click on upload file and upload your own video. In my case, I'm just going to use a video that's already there, like so. And now the video is actually hosted on System, basically. So this is how you would deliver your freebies. You'll create it here. And I always recommend you put some sort of a call to action at the bottom on what you want them to do. Another thing is you can do is, let's say you're going to put some sort of a call to action right here on them buying something or something along these lines. What you can do is, let's say this webinar is 8 minutes, or this free video is 8 minutes. On minute number 6, when you're actually talking about what you're selling or the call to action to book a time. So if let's say it's 5 minutes into it, 5 minutes multiplied by 60 seconds is 300. So you will go to section, scroll down, and you will type in 300, meaning only after 300 seconds, this section is going to appear. So now if I click on save and I'm going to preview this page, you will notice the only thing you're going to see is the title of your free video. You're going to see the free video, and the bottom section you're not going to see. This section is not actually visible, and it will only be visible in 300 seconds. So that's just another way. If you're delivering a video, that's another good way to do it as well. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go back and grab the link of the thank you page where the free video appears. So we're going to grab this URL by clicking this button right here, this icon. Make sure this URL is the way you want it to be. So maybe you want to have some random numbers so people can't find it or whatever, or give it a proper name. That's up to you. Now that I've got the name the way I want it, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go to the squeeze page. I'm going to click on automation rules, click on add rule, funnel step subscribe, click into it, click on add action, click on send email, choose email, and then I'm going to say your traffic training is here, and do a little like so. Hey there, first name. Thanks for requesting the traffic training. Please bookmark this page, as I am sure you will have lots to refer back to. And then you will put like this. Click here to watch the free video or the video. Let me know what you think. Okay. And then you're going to highlight this and you're going to link the URL like so. What that means is that you are not actually telling people to watch it on Dropbox or download the video to their computer or anything like that. You're actually hosting the video on the thank you page. So that's what I would recommend you do. Another thing you can do is, if you wanted, for example, to not have the video on the thank you page because you wanted to do something else on the thank you page, maybe you want to sell them something, maybe you want to send them to an affiliate offer, whatever it is you want to do, then you can always just create another page and have the thank you page, basically this one, and then this one will be the actual traffic training. So this will be the thank you page, and then the traffic training will be this one. So this is the one you're actually emailing, and they don't see it right away. They'll have to see it only after entering their email. That's another way that you can do that. So it will end up being a 3-page funnel, basically. So hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and that's about it.